Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you some elegant brunch ideas for Mother's Day or for any day. I think you'll really enjoy these simple brunch ideas. I'm going to share a recipe, a tablescape, and a DIY floral arrangement. These would be great for Mother's Day or for a girl's tea or for a bridal shower or a baby shower. I'm starting with my breakfast nook. I love the round table in here for more of an intimate breakfast sort of styling. So I'm using this beautiful tablecloth that I received from April Cornell. They sent it to me. I will leave an exclusive coupon code down in the description box below. If you want to buy one for yourself, you get 15% off until July 31st, 2019, so check that out in the description box below. So first of all, I made just a very simple floral arrangement. I used this bucket that I found at Dollarama. It's our dollar store here in Canada. And then I'm taking a previous arrangement that I did, you might remember it, and I am taking some elements out of that arrangement and using it in my new arrangement. I love doing this to save money because I just simply reuse a lot of the faux florals I have over and over again and just keep rearranging them and using them in different ways. So I'm not buying things over and over again, and I'm using what I have. So I put some floral foam inside of this Dollarama container. It's also dollar store floral foam. And then I'm putting my greenery in as the base layer. So I have these faux eucalyptus stems. I found these at A Floral, I believe, a few years ago. I also have these greenery stems I found at Dollarama. And then I'm using these blue colored hydrangeas. Now these I've had forever, probably 6 or 7 years. They're from Michael's and I love the turquoise color. So I knew for this Mother's Day brunch that I wanted to have sort of coral pink colors as well as turquoises and mints. So those are the colors that I'm trying to incorporate in this arrangement here. It's always good to have a color scheme in mind when you're putting together a tablescape, and then you can really make everything coordinate together. This faux succulent is also from Michael's. I've had it for several years as well. I'm adding it to my base, and now I'm putting in some contrasting florals. These florals are from Dollarama. So I'm putting a few of these peachy coral pink colored flowers throughout the arrangement as well. So I just wanted to make this just nice and round and full, but I wanted a smaller arrangement than the one I had. So that's why I'm making a whole new arrangement for my smaller round table. So I'm just eyeballing these and just placing everything where I want it, and I'm really happy with how sweet this turned out, and I think it looks really nice in the middle of this table, and I really like the scale. Next, I'm using some mint and gold plates that I found at Anthropology last year. I will link them below, along with some April Cornell napkins. I love the vintage rose pattern on these, and they have the peachy pinks and the corals and the aquas that I'm wanting for this tablescape. I'm also using some brass or gold colored cutlery. I found this on Amazon and I will link it below. Now I want to show you how I'm making this really special dish today. I'm calling it Waffles Eggs Benedict because I make handmade, homemade waffles, and then I also make kind of a cheater's version of Eggs Benedict. So here is how to make it. If you want the written instructions for these recipes, please check the link in the description box below. To make my special homemade waffles, take 4 egg whites and beat them in your beater until they are stiff, and then put them to the side. This is the secret thing that makes these waffles extra fluffy and delicious. Next, mix together 3 cups of flour, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add in your 4 egg yolks, a half cup of oil, I use canola oil, and about 2 3/4 cups of milk. Mix that all together until your batter is nice and smooth. Next, fold those beaten egg whites from earlier into the batter. Finally, cook your waffles in a hot waffle iron until they are brown and ready, and then I put my waffles in the oven to stay warm. My oven has a warming function and that works really well. Now on to the Eggs Benedict. So you can make these Eggs Benedict on English muffins, but for these special ones, I'm just using the DIY waffles that I just made. So to make the easy Hollandaise sauce, what you do is you melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan on medium heat and add in 2 tablespoons of flour. Whisk those together. Continue to whisk the mixture while adding 1 cup of water and stir that until the sauce thickens. Add in about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 egg yolks, and whisk everything constantly. Cook for about 2 minutes and then add salt and pepper to taste. Then you can remove that from the heat and just keep it warm on your stove. Next, you're going to poach some eggs. I love this poacher that I found at my local grocery store. I will try to link something similar down in the description box below. I've just never been able to grasp the hang of doing poached eggs in a swirling pot of water. This makes my poached eggs perfect every time. And meanwhile, you can fry some back bacon or some ham in a skillet as well. And once you've got all of that finished and your waffles are warming in the oven, you can assemble your Eggs Benedict. So you can place the waffle pieces on a plate. I just use 1/4 of a waffle for each Eggs Benedict. Layer on 1 piece of back bacon on each waffle piece, then a poached egg, and you can finish with a generous drizzle of Hollandaise sauce and sprinkle with parsley if desired. I absolutely love how this dish came out. I think Eggs Benedict and homemade waffles are 2 of my most favorite things to make for brunch and breakfast, so combining them together makes the ultimate brunch dish. And I promise you, this is easier than you think. You just need some time to make it, and it's such a beautiful dish for a special brunch for your mom or for your friends. I'm really happy with how this tablescape turned out, and I think it's something that you could easily recreate at home. Just use a combination of colors and textures that you love or that your mom loves, and just put together something special and simple. It doesn't have to be too over the top. I love adding fruit to any brunch or breakfast, so I just put some cut up fruit and berries on top of this cutting board. And I do love how this faux floral arrangement makes the space look beautiful, but it was really inexpensive to make. Again, make sure to check out the description box below. I'm going to leave an exclusive coupon code if you love the tablecloth and the napkins that I received from April Cornell. I absolutely love the vintage French country vibe. This cushion is also from her as well, and I just like how everything coordinates, and it really was the inspiration for the colors I used in this elegant brunch tablescape. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you were inspired. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to do something special for your mom this coming weekend, or if you think someone's going to do something special for you if you're a mom, or how you would use this tablescape if you wouldn't use it for Mother's Day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas.